road, so you hear ambulance, ambulance and other. Anyways, just shout out. Please comments, guys, if you're watching. Please comment, everyone. And I just saw the news that they have some hurricane coming up here, like typhoon here in the Texas coming up a little bit this week. So it's gonna be in a neighboring state. But anyway, it's yun, mag-ano tayo dito, mag-bagyo, bagyo, or hurricane or typhoon coming up dito. So please comments, guys. And time right now here is 5:40. 5:35, I mean 5:40. So time right now. So thank you. Ding Lilis, thank you so much, Ding Lilis, for watching. Please comments of my video so that I can get back with you. Ding Lilis, thank you for watching and thank you for the thumbs up. Good morning here. Good morning Philippines. Where are you in the Philippines, Ding? Saan ka sa Pilipinas? Ding Lilis. Oh. Saan ka? Matagal po na po dikit sa iyo, host. Tagal pala. Oh.
Liza Payan.
Liza Payan. Thank you sa Sorsogon City, Bicol, Philippines. Walay sa Payan? What alam walay sa Payan? I'm live in YouTube. So Ding Lilis, uy nako. Sorry, tagal na pala po. I'm sorry kasi yung ano ko ba, yung stand ko is unlabeled. Maisulat ko ang ano mo, Ding Lilis. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up so that I can visit you. In the what's it called this? In your home, in your house. So thank you for watching, Ding Lilis. It's okay po. Sorsogon, okay lang weather dyan. Ding Lilis, okay lang weather dyan. So thank you for watching. How is the morning there? Okay ba ang weather dyan? And the weather, okay ba dyan? May moderator na ako, matagal na sis. Okay. Na-moderator na kita. Summer pa dyan? Summer? Oo, dito naman okay. Okay na lang dito. Okay lang dito po. Oo, so Ding Lilis. Thank you for Ding Lilis sa Sorsogon. Ano ba yun? Sa Sorsogon City, Philippines. Sorsogon City, Bicol, Philippines. Thank you. Shout out sa mga taga Bicol. Kumusta mga Bicol? Shout out sa inyong lahat.
Papa talk again.
Ha?
I think I'll have me one more round. Another round, my friend. Then I'll be gone and you can let another fool sit down.
What? Oh, thank you for 2 likes. I mean 2 watcher to.
Who are you talking to?
I'm watching live in YouTube and people comments here from Sorsogon City, Philippines. Sorsogon City, Philippines. It's hot in here. I don't have the fan.
I just turned the fan up. You turn that on, you're not going to be able to hear that.
I know, but my fan here is
Well, we'll have to get another fan.
Anyway, it's hot here. It's hot.
Not that hot. It's not that hot.
Okay.
If it's hot, it's because of me.
Yes. Oh, well, the American watching, he's hot.